And a good hello to you. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Fort Meade Lodge number 160 here in Fort Meade, Florida. That's right, we're down here in Florida. Look, there might be gators over there. You never know. My guess is more than likely. That's okay. You leave them alone, they leave you alone. Not like these brothers here. I gave them a call and said, hey, I want to come to your lodge. You having a meeting? They're like, yep, having dinner too. Come see us. So they have their meetings at 7:30. And their dinner's at 6:30, and also they meet on the first and third Tuesday of the month. I'm gonna go inside, take a look around, show you a little bit about their what they got going on here, and not so much the meeting itself, but actually the facilities and some of the regalia. So come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic edition. When you first come in the lodge, the main building here, or just inside the doors, this is not the lodge room, this is actually the dining hall. So they got a nice dining hall here, you got a kitchen set up. And here you've seen these before. Got their past masters on the wall. Like some really cool pictures, they got them depicted here. I know that guy, he's here now. I got lodge degree equipment down here. This is just an off hallway. This hallway here is actually feeds in the kitchen from that side, which makes it convenient. That's the kitchen there we just came through. Looks like they got a one for Easter Star. That's my guess. That's a nice altar there, and got a sign-in book, aprons. We're gonna go inside the lodge room right there. But first I want you to see these gavels they have here on the wall. Those are all right, commemorating something. So here's the main lodge room we're going to go into here. I don't see any door knockers or anything like that. Peepholes on the wall. What do you think? These guys are getting ready to lodge. Look, we are not open yet though, so we're okay. Wired for sound. Got a speaker back there. I don't think I've seen this one before. Nice. Nice. Some people probably know what that is. That's pewter. And this is the one of their columns here. So they got two sets. A lot of times you'll find lodges will have two sets because they'll have lodges that merge with them. Senior warden sits here. Got a marshal's baton. That's it right there. It's a good size, not real heavy. Another one here. Terrestrial and celestial globes. Picture of George Washington, a nice one up there. He's got a nice setting maul here. That's a tall setting maul. I don't typically see them quite this size. Normally they're about that tall.
That one over yonder, we broke it one time.
Broke it. That's all right.
Take it home and glue it back together.
Glue it back together.
It lasted so far.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So here's your other ship in the background there. A lot of times, especially Florida lodges, I see a ship. Nothing special about the door. They've got a here for presentations if they need it. It's one of their pull-down charts. Point within a circle. You'll traditionally find this one here in most Florida lodges that I've seen. I don't think I've ever been in a Florida lodge that didn't have a point within a circle in it. So now they're getting ready to get started with the meeting, because getting everybody in here. I like the piano there. A lot of times they're nice, especially if they got an Eastern Star here. I don't see anything across the wall showing that they got Eastern Star, so I don't know if they have Eastern Star here or not. It may be maybe another, may have moved that Eastern Star to another lodge. That is a ballot box. Wow, I don't think I've ever seen one quite like this one here. Balls and cubes. Got your hole there. I like that. That's nice. Wow. Definitely got some age on it. Sometimes I see stuff on the bottom, but I don't see anything on the bottom of this one here saying what lodge it's from, or if there's a date on it or anything. I don't see that, but it's nice. It's not real tall. It's probably less than 4 inches tall right there, I'd say. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably 4 inches. Wow, that's neat. I like that ballot box. Got your hasher here, your rough one here, smooth there. Got a G that lights up. Like he is definitely wired for sound. That's always good. Good looking gavel. More and more you see the handrails. Sometimes the handrails are toward the center, sometimes they're on the side, and sometimes you don't find handrails at all in lodges. But they've got some here. Secretary there. I don't see a... Oh, maybe that's their charter there. Let me double check. Yeah, that's their charter there. Awesome. Good looking charter. A lot of times these charters will get lost, or you'll see looks like maybe a little bit of water damage in here. But I mean, gosh, when they're 100 years old, I mean, you would expect they're going to be some damage on it, and you know, with moving around and changing buildings, if that be the case, because most lodges that are over 100 years old, as I'm sure this one is, they probably moved from a different location. Look at the yeah, here's the one he said they broke on one time. Like that though. And last but not least, let's look at the altar here. I don't see any special markings on the side. You do see a way they put their lesser lights. They got them 2 on that side and 1 over here, which is basically opposite of what they do in Georgia. Basically, pretty close to it. Look at there. And there opens from the side. I just noticed it because I saw the hinges. It's got some felt. Nice. And you got your traditional bulbs. I like those bulbs. I just took a picture of that and went the wrong direction, didn't I? Oh, let's see. New Testament, building St. Solomon's Temple. Seen this before, definitely Masonic Bible. Freemasonry in the Holy Bible. I like that. That's exactly what it says. Indexes of Freemasonry. Huh. Definitely worth the read. Good looking Bible, in good shape, everything. I like it. So if you're ever down here in Central Florida and you want to come visit a lodge, come visit this one. Basically, if you go down to Tampa and you go toward the center of the state, here's where you'll find Fort Meade Lodge number 160 here in Fort Meade, Florida. So come and visit these brothers. They have dinner 1 hour before the regular meeting. The regular meeting is at 7:30, so come see them. But I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I need to get back here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.